Ever booked a trip, the excitement bubbling, only for life to throw a curveball? Maybe your passport decided to play hide and seek, or perhaps that crucial work meeting can't be rescheduled. Whatever the reason, when your travel plans with YouTrip hit a snag, the big question pops up: can you actually get a refund? It's a scenario many of us have faced. You've loaded up your YouTrip card, ready to explore a new city or revisit a favorite spot. But then, circumstances change. And in those moments, understanding the refund policies of travel platforms becomes incredibly important. Now, YouTrip operates a bit differently from traditional travel agencies or airlines. Think of it primarily as a multi-currency e-wallet and prepaid MasterCard. You load funds in various currencies, making it super convenient for international spending. However, YouTrip itself doesn't directly handle your flight bookings, hotel reservations, or tour packages. Instead, you typically use your YouTrip card to pay for these services booked through other providers, airlines, booking websites, hotels, and so on. This distinction is crucial when it comes to refunds. Because YouTrip is essentially the payment method, the direct refund capabilities are limited to situations like incorrect transactions or technical issues with your card or account. If you've been double charged or there's an error in a currency conversion processed by YouTrip, their support team can definitely step in to investigate and potentially issue a refund. However, the refund for your actual travel booking, that flight you can no longer take, the hotel you can't check into, or the tour you have to cancel, lies with the specific provider you booked with. Each airline, hotel, or booking platform has its own set of terms and conditions regarding cancellations and refunds. These policies can vary significantly depending on factors like the type of fare or booking you chose, the time frame of your cancellation, and the specific terms outlined at the time of purchase. So, if your flight gets canceled by the airline, or you need to cancel your hotel reservation, your first point of contact should always be the company you booked with. Check their cancellation policy carefully. Many providers offer different tiers of tickets or bookings, some of which might be non-refundable or have significant cancellation fees, while others might offer more flexibility. When you contact the provider, be sure to have all your booking details handy, your confirmation number, dates of travel, and any relevant information. Explain your situation clearly and inquire about their refund or cancellation options. If you paid using your YouTrip card, the refund, if approved by the provider, will typically be credited back to your YouTrip account in the original currency of the transaction. YouTrip's role in this process is primarily as the facilitator of the payment. They don't have control over the individual refund policies of the various travel service providers you might use their card with. Therefore, while YouTrip's support team can assist with issues directly related to your YouTrip account and transactions, navigating refunds for your travel bookings requires engaging directly with the company you made the booking through. Understanding this distinction is key to a smoother experience when dealing with unforeseen changes to your travel plans. So, while YouTrip itself doesn't dictate the refund policies of airlines or hotels, any refunds issued by those providers will generally be processed back to your YouTrip card. Remember to always check the specific terms and conditions of your bookings and contact the provider directly for any cancellation or refund inquiries. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.